Hello everybody, there I am again. So, I'm confused. Yesterday the weather was amazing and it was very nice and we had sunshine and the weather forecast said that it would be much better. So I was expecting sun today, but it's actually beginning to drop right now. It's not cold or anything outside, but still. I wasn't expecting this. What's going on? In Bulgaria. Yeah. So what am I doing today? So right now, as maybe you have seen in one of my other videos, I am trying to chip all the wood that I have and to make the wood chips like I have these here. But sometimes in the ground I have still some, leftovers from the trees that we cut down. And over there was a big one. And it took me like ages with this thing. I just didn't go through it. I just had to do little pieces at a time. I think maybe the machine is just not so good. I don't know. I was always thinking that these kind of machines could just cut trees. Like also a little bigger tree. So let me know if you know anything about that. Why isn't that thing not just cutting through? I had to do this, like a little part and then try to do like that. It was just so I have been very busy with the tree. But I'm just enjoying myself. I just like it because I'm working in my own property. I'm trying to make something beautiful of it, and it's a lot of work, but I'm enjoying. I'm just having fun. I see little by little, it's getting better, and I have the vision of how I want it to look like. So my plan is over there in the back. If you don't know that part yet, I have shared a video about what is over there on the property. Like it's a forest with all the trees. And I want to make cut a lot of dead trees. I want to cut them down and just see if I can make little tables of them and stuff. And then put fruit trees over there. And then we can just camp in our little tent over there in summer and just, I don't know, and hang lights and all kinds of stuff. I have that vision in my mind that I'm just making it nice here. And I'm just enjoying myself all the time. Just doing little things with tools that don't always work. Come on. This week I was trying to fix my own little bike. I will show you. So I took this little bike from the Netherlands. We had a little car behind our car and a little wagon behind our car. Excuse my English again. And we took this little bike, and it's an electric bike. But what happened? The thing, the chain, it went off, it fell off, and it wasn't tight enough, and I don't know, all kinds of things. Like we had a problem with the brake. So I was trying to fix that silly thing. And I was trying to fix it with all kinds of tools, because I forgot to take some tools that you need to fix bikes. So this week I have been doing that also, and I was so surprised. I did it! I fixed the thing! I fixed my own bike! I was like, what? How did I do that? I didn't even know how I did it, but I was just taking some screws off and then pushing it a little bit to the back. No matter what I did, but it worked. And then I had a little, I went to the town with my bike and everything went well. And now there seems to be another little problem. So I have to fix that again. So I'm waiting for my husband, to come back with the right tools. But that's what I mean. It's an adventure every single day because I have to make it work with what I have. And don't get me wrong, we're not poor. But right now we have less than we have normally because of some illness with my husband. So it will take a while before things will get better. So we have to take a little care with our money. So I'm doing it with the things that I have. And I'm just trying to make it work. And it's so surprising how sometimes things can work even if you don't expect it to. So yeah, that's what I'm doing today. Just enjoying myself. I don't need a coat, so I can just sit here. The weather is okayish, but no sunshine. But it will come. I'm sure of that. So everybody, have a lovely day. I'm gonna cut some branches down. I'm gonna try with what I have. And I will see you guys in the next video. God bless you, everybody. Love you, and see you soon. Enjoy your day.